Hello everyone, you're with Crochet with Greta, and today in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how we can make this mini witch hat keychain. It's very cute and very quick to make. This is everything that we need for our mini witch hat. I'm going to use purple and gray because I do feel like you're going to see better the stitches. If I'm working with black, it's too dark, I won't be able to see much. We're going to need 2.5mm crochet hook, scissors, yarn needle. We're going to, only if you wanted to, we can use a charm for the hearts. If you don't have one, don't worry. And we're going to need the keychain and a tool for our keychain. And let's begin. I'm going to start with purple, and for the round one I have magic ring. I'm going to do my magic ring. This is my magic ring. When I have my magic ring, I'm going to do 4 single crochet into my magic ring. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is my round 1. The round 2, and before I move on round 2, I'm going to use different color of yarn for my stitch mark so you can see where I'm working at. Now I'm going to do for my round 2 single crochet increase, and I'm going to repeat 2 times in total, and then do this round 2 I'm going to have 6 stitches at the end. We're starting with single crochet, and I'm going to do increase. Increases 2 single crochet in the same stitch. And I'm going to repeat this one more time. Going to do single crochet in my 3rd stitch, and in my 4th stitch I have increase. And end of this round 2 I have 6 stitches in total. Moving on round 3. For the round 3 I have single crochet around. And of course, end of this round I'm going to have 6 stitches in total. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is round 3, and moving on round 4. For the round 4 I have single crochet increase, and we're going to repeat 3 times in total. End of this round we're going to have 9 stitches. We're starting with single crochet. We're going to do increase, and we're going to repeat this 2 more times, and one more time, this is round 4 with 9 stitches around. And now we're going to move on round 5. For the round 5 you have single crochet around, and end of this round 5 we're going to have 9 stitches at the end. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. moving on round 6. For the round 6 we have 2 single crochet, increase, and we're going to repeat 3 times in total, and we're starting with 2 single crochet, and end of this round we're going to have 12 stitches, and again 2 single crochet, increase, and I'm going to repeat this one more time, 2 single crochet. In the last stitch of the round 6 I'm going to do increase, we're moving on round 7. For the round 7 I have single crochet around. End of this round we're going to have 12 stitches, and this is our round 7. Now we're going to move to round 8. For the round 8 we have 3 single crochet, increase, we're going to repeat 3 times in total, and end of this round we're going to have 15 stitches in total. We start 1, 2, 3, and we're going to do increase in our 4th stitch, and we're going to repeat this 2 more times, 1, 2, 3, and increase, and one more time, 1, 2, 3, increase. We're ready to move on round 9. Before to move on round 9 we're going to change the color. I'm going to use gray for my second color. Instead of I have black and purple here, now here's going to be gray, because I do think purple and gray are very good combination. And I'm going to just change the color. And when I have my color change for the round 9, I'm going to do single crochet around, and end of this round I'm going to have 15 stitches. And this is round 9 ready, and now we're going to change the color for the round 10 back to purple. And when we got the color back to purple, we're going to work on a front loop only. This is, can you see the V shape? This is front loop, this is back loop. So we're going to work on a front loop, and we're going to do 4 single crochet, increase, and we're going to repeat this 3 times in total. End of this round we're going to have 18 stitches, and we are starting with 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. Can you see how I'm working only in the front loop, and a 4, and now in my next stitch I'm going to do increase, and I'm going to repeat this 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and increase. You know what I can do? I can cut the gray color now. I don't need anymore. And I'm going to repeat this one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the last stitch here, we have an increase. This is round 10. We ready to move on round 11, and now I'm going to do I put my stitch mark again, and I'm going to do for my last round 11 2 single crochet, increase, and I'm going to repeat 6 times in total. And with this round I'm going to have 24 stitches in total. And I'm starting with 2 single crochet and increase. Again, 2 single crochet, increase, and I'm going to repeat this to the end. Increase, and I'm going to repeat this one more time. 2 single crochet and increase in my last stitch, and I'm going to do slip stitch to my next stitch, and I'm going to cut. And we have our mini witch hat, which is very cute. And now I'm going to turn over, and I'm going to hide all the yarns that's left over here. I'm going to hide the grey now. We have all the ends hiding. It's time to cut them. Now we're turning on the right side, and we're going to add the charm. If you don't have charm, so you can skip this part and go to the next part for adding the keychain. Now I'm going to use purple for my charm because my hat is purple, and I'm going to say here where I had finished my last round is my back, so an opposite side here in the front I'm going to do my charm. And I'm not going to count exactly where I'm going to put, but it's going to be somewhere just like that. My charm is small, so, and I'm going to place it just right here. This is round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Placing my charm between my round 5 and 6. You can see this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to tidy. I'm going to turn on the wrong side again, and I'm going to do a really strong knot here, and I'm going to cut the ends, and ta-da, we have our cute witch hat with charm. Now it's time to add the keychain on the top. Here I have my keychain. If you're going to use the keychain same as mine, you definitely need to use a tool for the keychain. Now I'm going to place it just right here in the middle. This is my really top in the middle. And come out from here. And I'm just going to squeeze on the top, make sure it's nice and tight. You can see nice and tight. And what I can say, we have our mini witch hat keychain, and they're very cute and very quick and simple to make. Even if you're a really beginner, you can make it. Only you need to know stitches and you'll be fine. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Bye!